The reception area. Yes. Hi guys! Welcome to our channel, Eat, Pray, Love, Travel. And right now, nandito tayo sa panibagong hotel adventure. This time, we are here in Kingsford Hotel located in Entertainment City, Parañaque. Yes? We booked this through Agoda, and later i-explain namin sa inyo on how you can get 10% discount on your hotel bookings in Agoda. So they have a lounge area here, parang bar area nila. To go food. Hi guys! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kingsford Hotel here in Entertainment City sa Parañaque. So, ito yung room na in-avail namin, which is actually queen size. Pero dahil wala pang available, so might as well choose this twin bed ba? Parang gano'n. Anyway, let's have a quick run of the room. So, this is our room. So, guys, ito ang kanilang CR. Very basic. They have bidet, of course, yung towels, and this very small countertop. They have dental kits, towels, very basic, and shower curtain and all. Actually, parang pareho to sa Belmonte. Ganto. Anyway, this is the entire room. So originally we opt for queen bed, but then walang available. So eto na lang para at least naka-check-in ka na. Outright. Anyway, it's just 1:30, so it's considered early check-in pa rin. They also have this, mga lalagyan ng mga gamit, very basic lang talaga na hanger, and then they have the safety deposit box. They have slippers. Ayan. So, let's go on. Meron din namang silang sofa. And there's a trash bin. You can like work here, work area. There's kettle. There's very basic coffee cream, etc. They also have rep, and meron pa rin isang upuan dito. And of course, our view. Then, sobrang liwanag. So, ang view natin ay pool area. Nice! And I don't know kung ano yung mga yan. But basically, ayan ang ating view. So, hi guys! Welcome to our channel, Eat, Pray, Love, Travel. At nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong hotel experience. This time, nandito tayo sa Kingsford Hotel in Parañaque City. So, this is just in between Soler and Okada. So, for those of you who are looking for a budgeted hotel, this is the perfect site to look at na nasa Entertainment City. Actually, this one and West Side. Kasi yung West Side na try na rin namin. It's a 4-star hotel pero budgeted din. Pero, 4-star hotel pero mas cheaper than the usual rate ng 4-star hotel. And, maganda rin yung kanilang mga amenities. I believe it's both owned by Mega World, if I'm not mistaken. Well, anyway, we booked this through Agoda, and you can use our promo code EPLT Agoda to avail 10% discount on your bookings here in the Philippines, dito sa Kingsford or international. So don't forget to use our promo code EPLT Agoda to book this hotel. So mamaya, since kaka-check-in lang natin, I will show you the room. of course. And yung kanilang amenities is actually located on the 6th floor. So, tignan natin kung anong meron doon. And then, tomorrow, we will check out the breakfast buffet. Breakfast starts at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then, I believe ang parking nila is free kasi wala namang binigay sa amin any ticket or whatsoever nung pagdating namin. So, nakapag-early check-in din kami actually. And by the way, ang aming view ay city view. So, may mga options yata na parang if it's superior, parang back view, and then if it's deluxe, city view. So, ayun, nakapag-check-in naman kami na maayos and very smooth ang check-in. Wala namang anything na hiningi. No security deposit asked kasi we already prepaid for this accommodation, yun nga, through Agoda, and we paid actually 3,900 for an overnight stay here and with breakfast na yun. So, we'll keep you posted later and we'll probably go to Okada, and if time permits, baka makapunta rin kami ng Newport World Resorts. Okay? See you in a bit. Bye. Anyway guys, I would like to give you a step-by-step process kung paano ninyo ma-avail yung aming Agoda promo code na EPLT Agoda and get 10% discount. Of course, first you have to open your app, yung Agoda app ninyo, and then check out the deals. So like for example, this one, I'm gonna use my personal Agoda, So, and then click nyo lang yung deals. So pag click nyo ng deals, lalabas dyan is yung coupon. So sa coupon section, you can see there is enter promo code. So ilagay nyo lang yung promo code na EPLT Agoda. And then, so ayun na nga, nakatype na siya. And then just click. So, see all my coupons. So, actually marami na akong coupons kasi ang dami kong booking for my upcoming, or for our upcoming 2026 travel plans. We are going to, next month sa Japan, we are going to Sapporo. We are going to try the winter in Japan sa Sapporo kasi sobrang ganda ng winter nila doon. And of course, February naman, we are going to Japan again. This time with the kids. So, ang kasama namin ng kambal, we are going to Tokyo sa February yun. And on March, we are going to Bangkok. So, syempre, ang daming bookings, kaya may mga naka-book na ako dito sa Agoda. Kaya medyo dumami na yung coupons ko. Ito yung mga coupons mo. So, like 10%. May 10% USD kasi ako because of my previous bookings. And then this one, up to 10%, yan yung pangalawa. Up to 10% by using our promo code EPLT Agoda. It's very easy to input our promo code kasi minsan diba hindi natin alam. Like, for example, pupunta lang tayo sa Agoda and then, syempre, magbubuk tayo ng hotel. Hanapin natin kung saan na magbubuk, etc. And then, that's it, book na. So, hindi. Pwede mo siya i-encode na muna doon before ka mag-search ng mga hotels na gusto mo i-book or kailangan mong i-book. So, please don't forget to use our promo code EPLT Agoda to get 10% discount. Guys, we are here at Okada at kakain tayo sa Texas Roadhouse. So, may ino-offer sila dito na 1,650 pesos lang. Good for 3 to 4 packs. Bistro to share. So, 1,650 lang. And then, pick 3 entry. So, chicken, barbecue, boneless, pork chop, fish, and more. So, antayin natin yung food. Plus, of course, meron silang libreng bread as always. Roll. And may mani. Sarap ng mani actually. We are waiting for the fountain show at 7 o'clock. So, kaya dito tayo nakapwesto. Yan. So, antayin natin yung pagkain natin. Oh my gosh, super liwanag naman. Tignan mo.
Mali yung setting mo kanina.
I don't know. Ang sarap ng mali na to. Try it. Yan ako lumiwanag. Ayun o, ang liwanag. God.
Mali pala.
So guys, here's the food. Chicken barbecue. Big serving, ano? Fish. Chicken barbecue. Kain tayo.
For
Chicken.
our protein.
And what's the sauce?
Suka ba?
Yeah. Sarap. Sarap.
Huh?
Hi guys, good morning. So, it's 6 a.m. and i-check na natin ang breakfast nila. Actually, breakfast starts at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and I think sa ground floor area kung saan nandun yung reception or yung lobby. Maaga pa para at least makita natin na presentable pa kasi baka mamaya maraming tao and magulo na ang breakfast. So, iniiwasan natin yan. So, let's go down. So, ay, ito pala yung schedule ng shuttle. Can you take a pic? There's a shuttle schedule, oh.
Wait lang.
Sige. From Naiya Terminal 3 to 1. And yung ano. Airport shuttle. Okay, let's go inside. Maaga. May mga nag-check-in na rin ata. Extended ang kanilang breakfast, ano. Yan. So, we can check that. Hi, good morning. For 2?
Room number
1201. Thank you. Guys. Let's check the area. See? So, wala pang tao. Better. Let's check. Let's scroll down the ano na food. Hande have arroz caldo. Taho. Yeah. Red pudding. Where? guys, ang breakfast nila dito is, kung hindi kasama sa room rate ninyo, 999 pesos per person. At syempre, libre ang kids. I think 7 years old below. Guys, I got this. The tocino, swordfish, ilis ba yan or something? Pork, beef, and egg. Actually doing calorie count right now. Siguro mga 2 weeks na ba? Or 3 weeks or something like that. So, kaya medyo ang hirap kumain ng beyond your calorie count or parang yung iyong calorie intake. What should be the calorie intake in a day? So sa akin 1.5, pero I'm trying to make it like around actually 1.8 pero I'm trying to make it 1.5, pero na-achieve ko na yung 1.5, so I'm trying to make it at 1.2 per day na. So December ngayon, sana maging successful tayo kasi ito yung pinakamahirap na month na mag-calorie deficit. So good luck to us. Ang sarap ng beef and mushroom. I don't know kung nagbabago yung menu nila dito, pero masarap yung beef and mushroom. Ay, hindi ko alam kung beer dish. Swordfish. Namala to. Sarap. Sarap. Number 1 food intake for calorie deficit is protein. So, the more protein, the better. Para yung nababurn mo is yung fats, hindi yung muscles. Sarap siya. So, we requested for omelette, spicy, and not spicy. And coffee. Uy, ang sarap nito. Try nyo. Han, ang sarap nito.
Dalgit?
Hindi, swordfish. Ang swordfish is espada. Tama ba ako? Ang payat na niya, oh. I'm trying to tell them about our calorie deficit thing. Grabe, no? Laki ng pinayat mo, Han. Of course, with kasamang ano yan, gym. Diba? Pero Petix gym. Hindi naman Petix. Tama lang. Hindi man katulad ng ibang...
Kaya sa New York tayo, nagtimbang ako dun sa ano, yung burger ba yung restaurant?
No, Vegas yun.
225 ba yun?
Ngayon ilang ka?
202.
Oh my gosh.
Ilang months? 3 months pa. 3 months.
No? Super laki ng pinayat niya. Diba? Kain pa. Alinis ang table namin for a buffet, oh. Walang laman. Busog na daw siya.
Busog na. Grabe yung ano, willpower sa ano, balutan. Magkano ito?
Dati itong table na to when we do breakfast buffet,
Puno.
sobrang puno, no? Hindi pa nag-start. Overflowed. Filled na yung ano, table. So, we're done eating. Punta tayo sa 6th floor. Nandun daw kanila mga menus. So, yeah. Nandito tayo sa pool area nila. Actually, sobrang daming laging tao dito. That's why... Nice. So we had an opportunity. Guys, ang aga namin, 6 pa lang kasi nga ang daming tao dito sa pool, and the pool area is just small. Pero kagabi din kasi may mga parang kumakain dito no. That's why hindi na kami bumaba. But anyway, ang ganda niya pag umaga. Ayan, walang tao. Solong-solo natin. Nice.
So, Okada gold sa morning, pink sa night.
Yeah. Pink ba yun o purple? Ang ganda, Han.
Oo. Sunrise. Ganda na sunrise dito.
Yeah. Oops.
Tambay tayo dito.
Like, you know, kumakain pa sila sa baba. So, may chance ka tumambay dito. Yan. Anong area to? Tanong natin kay ate kung anong area to. Ate, is this a gym?
Yes po.
Gym lang ang nandito, ate.
Sauna po sa CR.
Ah, dito. Okay, thank you. So, this is the gym area. Buhat-buhat and all. Treadmill. Let's check the sauna. Thank you, ate.
Sa loob na po naman po yung room, sa may shower sa loob.
Okay. So, let's head on inside the CR. They have lockers. Shower area, I guess. And there's sauna. Ooh, sauna is open already. It's hot eh. Yeah. The traditional sauna thing. Yung lalagyan mo siya. Okay. Nice. Guys, if you're planning your trip this 2026, don't forget to use our promo code in Agoda. It's EPLT Agoda and get 10% discount on your hotel bookings here in the Philippines and worldwide.